You mentioned earlier something about I think is the production line. How fast can you guys build these things? Like how like at the factory, like is there like one can be done every 90 minutes, one can be done every hour and a half? What does that look like? Just out of curiosity.
Yeah, that it looks like the production line behind me, and now conservative numbers are that we can get one out the door, out to a homeowner or a developer every 90 minutes, and
Wow.
instead of 9 months
Yeah.
in traditional, and even that is far far too slow for our way of looking at things. The Ford 150, for example, rolls off the line at a staggering 58 seconds. A Ford 150 rolls off the line every 58 seconds. So that's the gold standard right there. I have to say they've been doing it for a little longer than we've been building casitas. In fact, we haven't built any casitas. We're building them now. So, but realistically, I think we should be able to get our production down to about 20 minutes. But we'll see how it goes. I think that
Wow.
we're down to about 90 minutes right now. Our
Mhm.
reach goal is about 1 hour and 15. And I think we should be able to scale to get down to about 20 minutes. We're starting off with not too many robots at the beginning.
Mhm.
We have more labor. We don't even know where to put that automated equipment. That's the sort of the 80-20 rule,
Mhm.
where where it looks 80% done, but it's really 20% done in terms of the final location of everything. And so we haven't even put up racking because we're not exactly sure where the racking goes. We haven't put too much automation or robots in just yet. But once we really refine our craft and speed up, that's, I think, where we're going to land up. I think 20 minutes, something around there. And that's going to be our biggest challenge. Factory one is behind me is 172,000 square feet. It's an eighth of a mile long. It's 4 acres under a roof. And we call it Factory One because Factory Two will not be 170,000 square feet. It'll be probably around 4 million square feet. And we are making plans for that now. And that's certainly not the end of it either. So the ceiling for sales, I mean, there is a ceiling, of course, but it's not visible to us. It's absolutely stratospheric. And our biggest challenge once we go from 0 to 1, which is from not production to production,
Mhm.
once we can get past that hurdle, it's a very significant hurdle. The biggest thing we'll be hit upside the head with, probably why I'm wearing this hat, is scale. Scale. We've developed the product right down to its DNA, down to its genetic level to be able to scale. It's very complicated to make things simple. It takes a very, very long time to do that engineering. We have a shockingly simple product. And one of the biggest compliments we can hear when people see it is, well, why hasn't anybody done that before? That's a great
Mhm.
compliment because they see that it's very simple. So we have all of our little soldiers lined up um, to scale, and we will see how it goes. The product, the building production line that you see behind me, the factory that you see behind me, we consider it a product just like the casita itself, and everything from the workbooks to the install to how things are done, time to the minute, has to be developed and packaged with a bow on it, just like a consumer product. It has to be perfect. It has to be
Mhm.
optimized and efficient. And we will take this production line and we will repeat it hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of times around the country and around the world.
I love the fact that you guys are always focused on improving the processes and procedures and growing as well too.